Okay, we'll let this set up a little bit. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit. We're going to go down through here, inside the head. This will be for our string to catch to. And you want your hole to be about center. It's not bad, but I want to bring it up just a little bit. That's better. It's looking pretty good there. So we'll just bore it out a little bit more so our string doesn't catch on anything, and then we'll be ready for the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.